Alright, hey guys, today we're going to make this cute, easy sunflower craft. So what we'll need is a piece of construction paper. It can be any color for your background. We'll need yellow strips of paper, all the same size. You'll also need a smaller green strip of paper for your flower stem, a brown circle for the middle of the flower. You'll need some leaves, and then you'll also need some scissors and a glue stick. The last thing you'll need is some sunflower seeds, but if you don't have these, that's okay. So we'll start with our background paper and our stem, and we're just going to glue that right into the middle of our paper. Then next we'll take our brown circle and we'll glue that where we want the middle of our flower to be. Okay, now we'll take our yellow strips of paper and one at a time we'll fold them over, and then we're just going to glue the ends together. And then just repeat this for all your yellow strips of paper. And then now we'll bring our picture back, and then we're going to start gluing our yellow paper, which is our petals, around the middle of our flower. So here you can use as many petals as you want. I think I only used about 10. The more you use, the fuller your flower will look. And now we'll take our leaves, and what I did was folded it just at the tip, like halfway, and this helps our leaves look more three-dimensional, so they're not just lying flat against our paper. It kind of helps them stand out. So again, just fold it only like halfway, then glue it onto the stem. And then there's our flower. And then now the last part, we're almost done, is you're going to take a handful of sunflower seeds and we're going to glue them right into the middle, right where that brown circle is. So this part might work better with some liquid glue, but I just had a glue stick and it worked just the same. So here I'm sticking them down. I picked away the ones that did not fit on the glue, and then just push them down so they stay. And that's pretty much it for this craft, guys. That's our sunflower. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.